Locked out of your Twilio account and wondering how to get back in the game? Today, we're breaking down exactly how to reactivate your deactivated Twilio account in a few simple steps. First, head over to the Twilio website, that's twilio.com, and look for the support or contact us section. This is usually found at the bottom of the page in the footer. Next, find the best way to contact Twilio support. They usually offer several options like phone, email, or even live chat. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. Now, prepare your reactivation request. Clearly state that you want to reactivate your deactivated account and include your account SID. That's your unique Twilio account identifier. You can usually find this on old invoices or account documentation. Be ready to verify your account details. Twilio support will likely ask you questions to confirm your identity and ownership of the account. This might include your registered email address, phone number, or billing information. Don't forget to address any outstanding billing issues. A common reason for deactivation is unpaid invoices, so make sure you're up to date on your payments. Finally, confirm your intention to resume using Twilio. Let them know how you plan to use the platform going forward, and that you understand their terms of service. Once everything is verified and any issues are resolved, your account should be reactivated and you can get back to building. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.